The PAMU Z1 is another budget installment from Padmate, and in this video, I'll tell you everything that you need to know about them. At the time of making this video, the Z1 is on sale on Padmate's official website, so you can snag one up as cheap as $40 US. Out of the box, you get a couple of documentation, a small USB-C to a USB-A charging cable, a small carry pouch made out of faux leather, 4 extra silicone ear tips in different sizes, and the PAMU Z1 earbuds in its case. In terms of size, the Z1 is definitely smaller than the Momentum 2 and the Bose Quiet Comfort earbuds, but a little bigger than the latest Sony XM4s. But overall, they are pretty small and I faced no problems carrying them around in my pocket. PAMU always plays around with their design and the Z1 is also no different. This time around they have a matte finish on the case and has a belt on the middle which can be changed to match your mood in the daily life. The earbuds have been redesigned as well and it has a good build quality. The overall look is very bold because of the big PAMU logo on the front of the case, but on the earbuds it's a little more subtle. There is also a small piece of plastic on the side which is actually a LED that lights up to inform when the earbuds are getting charged, which can be useful. I took the Z1 out for some light exercise around the block today and it was very comfortable for me. If you can find the right sized ear tips for your ears, then it will sit perfectly flush in your ears and will give you a very stable and comfortable fit. The Z1 earbuds are also very light at only 5.7 grams each, so I did not feel any wear fatigue after wearing them for almost half a day. PAMU claims that the Z1 earbuds will last up to 6.5 hours and with the case, you can extend that to up to 24 hours in total. But in my tests, I got around 5 hours on the earbuds with ANC on and volume at 80%. So it will really depend on how you use it. But still, it's not that bad considering the fact that it has Qi charging capability and recharge from 0 to 100% in just 2 hours. The PAMU Z1 has touch controls and they offer only 2 types of commands. Either you can double click or you can press and hold to do certain things on each of the earbuds. But the best part is on the PAMU app, you can select what you would like to do with the touch gestures on each of the earbuds. I tested a few commands on my own and they all worked very well. The Z1 connects via Bluetooth 5.2 and supports the SBC and AAC codecs and has a line of sight of almost 33 feet. Within the app, there is a feature that you can activate called Game Mode, which is supposed to reduce any lag while gaming. In my tests watching videos on YouTube and listening to music on Spotify, I did not notice anything jarring, but I was not able to test the game mode however. Not sure if it's a gimmick or if it actually works. If any of you have tried this out, then please let me know what your experience was on the comment section down below. The PAMU Z1 has 3 modes to choose from and those are ANC on and ANC off and transparency mode. With ANC on, I felt that the Z1 lets in outside noise like people talking in distance or even the hum of my laptop's fan, which was a bit disappointing. However, low-pitch sounds like the hum of an AC was muffled, so that's great. And then with ANC off, you get to experience the noise isolation, which works pretty well. However, the transparency mode is not the strongest at amplifying the surrounding environmental sounds and also produces a low-pitched hissing sound when it is on. The PAMU Z1 sounds amazing and I say that with all seriousness. All of the last models from PAMU don't even come close to the Z1. These earbuds can get very loud and have a very good bass response. It's got that extra kick from bass, accurate treble that makes the sound very warm and has a spot on mid-range frequency. It's not 100% accurate, but vocals and main instruments sounds great. I also loved the wide soundstage and the balanced equalizer settings. For me, the best sound I got was when the ANC was on and the equalizer was set to pop. But if that's not your jam, then you can pick some preset equalizer settings from within the app.
Testing the microphone of the PAMU Z1. Mic check, mic check. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Mic check, mic check. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
As you just heard, I think that the mic quality is okay. I mean that it can focus on voice when there are multiple sources of sound very well, which I liked, but the voice sounds a bit mechanical. The PAMU Z1 have IPX4 water resistance rating, so you can take them out on a sweaty gym session without a doubt. But the best feature is that both the earbuds are master earbuds. You can use either one of them to take calls or listen to music. You can even connect one earbud with your phone and the other one with your iPad simultaneously. So overall, I think where the PAMU Z1 truly excels is where it counts the most, the audio front. The sound that the Z1 is pumping out is remarkable. I have tested a lot of budget headphones and a lot of them were from PAMU themselves, but none of them are as good as the Z1. They may have their shortcomings in call quality and on the ANC department, but sound-wise, they are as solid as it can be for a $50 earbud. But that's just me. Please let me know what your thoughts are on the comment section down below. And if you enjoyed watching this video, then please like, share and subscribe. This is Nafis signing off till next week. Peace.